Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 15 basic general knowledge questions. So let's start the video. The first question is, Fire Temple is the place of worship of which of the following religion? Taoism, Judaism, Zoroastrianism, Shintoism. The correct answer is Zoroastrianism, Parsi religion. Next question. What is ecology for? Birds, cell formation, relation between organisms and their environment, tissues. The correct answer is relation between organisms and their environment. Next question. Which countries form the membership of CACM, Central American Common Market? Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua. Bogota, El Salvador, Honduras. Washington DC, Bogota, Guatemala. All of the above. The correct answer is Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua. Next question. The main purpose of International Banking for Reconstruction (IBRD) is development of economics of members by facilitating investment of capital and foreign investment through provision of loans, promotes cooperation on technical matters of maritime safety, navigation, and encourage anti-pollution measures, attainment of the highest possible level of health by all people, none of the above. The correct answer is development of economics of members by facilitating investment of capital and foreign investment through provision of loans. Next question. What is penicillin widely used for? An antiseptic, a disinfectant, an antibiotic, an insecticide. The correct answer is an antibiotic. Next question. Which countries have mentioned research stations in Antarctica under Antarctica trade? Argentina, Australia, Belgium and South Africa, Chile, France and Japan, New Zealand, Norway, the former USSR, the UK and the USA, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Next question. When and where was weightlifting introduced in Olympics? 1986 at Athens, 1988 at Seoul, 1924 at St. Louis, 1908 at London. The correct answer is 1986 at Athens. Next question. When did first Afghan war happen? 1839, 1843, 1833, 1848. The correct answer is 1839. Next question. The headquarters of the International Court of Justice are at Geneva, The Hague, Rome, Vienna. The correct answer is The Hague. Next question. Who invented penicillin? Dr. Jonas E. Salk, Gregor Mendel, Paul Ehrlich, A. Fleming. The correct answer is A. Fleming. Next question. Who was the host of the first Olympics in 1896? Athens, Greece, Paris, France, London, Great Britain, Los Angeles, USA. The correct answer is Athens, Greece. Next question. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because the infrared light kills bacteria in the body. Resistance power increases. The pigment cells in the skin get stimulated and produced a healthy tan. The ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. The correct answer is the ultraviolet rays convert skin oil into vitamin D. Next question. The Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences awards the Nobel Prize in dash: physics, economics, chemistry, both A and C. The correct answer is both A and C. Next question. Magsaysay Awards are named after Ramon Magsaysay, dash, who was known for his land reform program to defuse communist insurgency. President of the Philippines, President of the Spain, President of the Scotland, President of the Malaysia. The correct answer is President of the Philippines. Next question. What is dumping? Selling of goods abroad at a price well below the production cost at the home market price. The process by which the supply of a manufacturer's product remain low in the domestic market, which fetches him better price. Prohibited by regulations of GATT. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. These are today's questions. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channels and follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to comment how many answers did you get right. Thank you.